Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate RAMP with NetSuite for finance automation step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your NetSuite account. Navigate to the Setup menu at the top of the dashboard. Select Integrations from the drop-down options. Click on Manage Integrations to view your existing integrations. To create a new integration, click on the New button. Fill in the required fields for the new integration. Provide a name for the integration, such as RAMP Authentication. Set the status to Enable to allow access. Take note of the consumer key and consumer secret displayed on the page. Next, switch to your RAMP account. Log into your RAMP dashboard using your credentials. Locate the section for integrations or API access. Choose the option for NetSuite integration. You will be prompted to enter your NetSuite credentials. Input the consumer key and consumer secret you copied earlier. Follow any additional prompts for permissions required by RAMP. Finish the setup process by clicking on the Connect or Authenticate button. Verify the connection by checking for a success message on both platforms. If necessary, configure any additional settings in RAMP to suit your financial automation needs. Make sure to test the integration by creating a sample transaction in RAMP. Monitor it within your NetSuite account to ensure seamless data transfer. Once verified, you can start using RAMP with NetSuite for efficient finance automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.